Welcome to this Quobyte demo. In this video, we are going to show you how simple it is to get started with Quobyte. We will be installing Quobyte in a 4-node cluster, meaning we will be using 4 servers, and we'll use 2 of them as clients. As you can see on your screen, we have 2 text files with the IP addresses of the instances we will use as servers and clients. This will make the installation a bit easier and faster for us. To get started, head over to the installation page at quobyte.com. You can check the link in the description, copy the following snippet to your terminal, and run it. After running this, you will see the Quobyte installer. To start the installation, type Y to the prompt asking if you want to proceed with the installation. Then you will need to enter a username for your SSH connection to your machines or instances. Next, you need to designate your servers. The Quobyte installer will tell you the minimum requirements for the servers you need. The installer also asks you if you have a file with the IP addresses of your servers. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we do have the file, so we will answer with Y and provide the name of the file here. If you do not have a file with the IP addresses, answer the question with N, and you can enter each IP address one by one, followed by the Enter key. Next, we will follow the same steps for the clients. Again, you can provide a file with the IP addresses or enter them one by one. Wait for the installation to be completed. Once it is, you will receive a URL where you can access the Quobyte console. To begin setting up the admin account, click Start. The first step is to agree to the license agreement. Next, you need to set up the login information with your username, password, and email address. Please note that the email address is only used to send you notifications from the cluster. We will skip the email address for this demo. In the next step, if you don't plan to set up X509 certificates, you can configure which machines are allowed to join the Quobyte cluster as servers. We will skip this step for this video. You can also set up an SMTP server for email notifications. If you are installing Quobyte for a production setup, we highly recommend you do this, but we will skip it for now. The last step is to provide a license key. You can skip this step as you automatically get a 7-day trial. If you want a free license, you can sign up for a free Quobyte account or contact us at support@quobyte.com. After doing this, you will have access to the Quobyte web console, where you can easily monitor and manage your cluster. But before you can start using Quobyte, you need to format your drives and create a volume. To format the drives, click on the Devices tab. Here, you will see that 4 of your drives are being used as registries, but all the other drives are unformatted. We will use the unformatted drives for data storage and metadata. To do this, select Click to format all unformatted devices. Quobyte will suggest using one driver for metadata and the other for data services. You can leave everything as is and click on Start Task. Now your devices are being formatted. If you want to see the progress, head over to the Tasks tabs. Give it some time and you'll see all the tasks completed. Next, you need to create a volume. To do this, go to the Volume tab, click on the Volume button, choose Create Volume, and name your volume. You can choose a redundancy policy or leave it as is, and the system will automatically switch to the default policy with a replication factor of 3. Once you are done with policies, click Create, and you should see your new empty volume. As a last step, go to your terminal and SSH to one of your client machines. Next, cd into /Quobyte and do an ls, and you will see the volume that you created in the Quobyte web console. After this, the setup is completed, and you now have a fully fault-tolerant and scalable Quobyte cluster.